So, I'm here with this young, strapping lad, and I would like to know, good sir, what do you do in your position in the militaries?
I create bird drones because birds are not real.
That's new. I'll have to look into that. I think it's a conspiracy, but Rose, you said that you were a captain on a ship once?
No, I was a captain of a bird unit. Flying bird drones, spying on people.
Why are you spying on people?
Because that's what birds do.
Is this classified information? Because you're gonna get in trouble because it's gonna on my YouTube channel. So I don't want to get.
Stop.
Well, I am trying to ask you what you did, and you're talking about bird drones.
Because birds are real.
Okay, but I thought you worked in communications.
Yeah, for the bird drones.
All right, you heard it first here, YouTube. This young military man is telling us about the drones. Guys, they're watching us. I can't believe that. That's amazing. Hey guys, I'm gonna go buy some chickens.